Trunk's open, camera's inside. You know what it means. We kicking it vloggy style, baby. Yay! All right, guys, what's happening? So I just clocked out of work a little bit early to get packed up. We're headed to Charlotte. Graham invited me to like a creators meetup that she's doing hair and makeup for. Sorry for my jacket, but yeah, so we're gonna go meet a fellow photographer. It's his space, fellow photographer, videographer, Sam Vargas, who is really good at what he does. I've been trying to link up with him for a little while now, so it's gonna be cool to actually be able to meet him. I think there's a couple more photographers, 4 or 5 models. His space is really dope, so excited to see this. Excited to see the space. Put some shots up. So we're traveling light today. We've got the A7 IV with us, then the Osmo Pocket 3, which is recording right now. I did bring my FX30 just in case maybe lighting's too low for the Pocket 3, but she's a champ. She'll deal with that low light. So I'll see you guys when we get there. And you know, it's vloggy style, baby. You know what it is. See y'all in a little bit. So I fought off my introvert demon and actually left the house for a public event. If you know me, you know I don't pop out very often. This was a private event for creatives that was invite only, so it was pretty chill.
I see.
Get it? So personally, I don't like to push the face away. I'd rather the face come towards me. Harder. Yeah.
Very wide though.
Right?
Very, very wide.
But it gives such a cool like effect.
I really like this drawing.
As you can see, there were multiple stations set up and we had 4 models serving up that heat. I met a few local artists and some that we've followed each other on Instagram but never met in person. Everyone there was just there to vibe off each other and create. It's always dope to see other creators in their bag and watch how they do what they do. The models were amazing. I'll link their profiles down below. I definitely need to link up with them and cook up. Shout out to Sam and team for throwing a dope event, and shout out to Graham for the invite and the amazing work that she did on the models' looks. Here are some of the shots from the event. I appreciate you kicking it with your boy, vloggy style. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for the jug, drop the comment down below, and remember, it's all gas, no brakes. Whatever you do it moving. Yeah. We out of here, baby. Peace.